Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your GMC Acadia, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let me show you how we complete this install. You will need the following tools and supplies to complete this installation. We will begin by removing our fascia trim panel. There are two fasteners. We'll use a 7mm socket. We're now ready to retrieve our wire harness that is up behind the fascia. Go ahead and reach up in there and rotate it 90 degrees, and the retaining clip it's on will come out of the body. Using a flathead screwdriver, pull back the red tab and then depress the button to remove the cap. Insert your 4-flat harness and push in the red locking tab. Return the clip and rotate 90 degrees to secure. We're now going to install a bracket for the 4-flat wires. If you do not have one of these, you can go ahead and pick one up at your nearest local U-Haul hitch center, or you could purchase one online, and I will put a link in the description below. Use the provided machine screw and locking nut and tighten down with a Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 wrench. We're going to pass our 4-flat connector behind the hitch so we don't see the wire. Now put on the dust cover. Now pass it through the wiring bracket. Wiggle and pull and it will lock itself into place. You can now cover the connector with the dust cover. Use a provided zip tie to secure any loose wiring. You can now return your trim panel until you're ready to use your hitch and wiring. That concludes 4-flat trailer wiring on your GMC Acadia. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to practice safe trailering. Can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com.